So the lockdown's gonna get officially extended, and what does that mean, you ask? Well, that means more good news, work from home editions. Yay! I think I've gotten pretty good at these videos from home, and doesn't that say that I've become Atmanirbhar? Anyway, here's your weekly dose of positive, wholesome, not negative, not for profit, legitimate headlines. Well, you get the point. The Central Pollution Control Board banned the use of POP in making idols this week so as to reduce the water pollution when immersed in water. Not only this, but the use of thermocol and plastic has also been prohibited. This move will go a long way in protecting the marine ecosystem, as when POP idols are immersed in water, they cause toxic pollution and affect the marine biodiversity. The CPCB has also made guidelines to promote the use of eco-friendly materials such as clay to make and decorate the idols. I just hate those pop-up ads that keep coming on the web no matter how much you try and close them. Well, I guess Google does too because they're doing something about it. The company recently found out that the ads were using disproportionate amount of resources such as network data and phone storage without the user's knowledge. To tackle this issue, the browser has decided to limit the number of resources the ad can use before the users interact with it. With this move, once the ad reaches its limit of resources, you will be redirected automatically to another ad page. Well, it looks like Europe is slowly getting over COVID-19. Slovenia has become the first European country to end the coronavirus epidemic. The government has said that the spread of COVID-19 is under control and there is no need for extraordinary health measures. While public gatherings are still banned and mask wearing is mandatory in public spaces, the country is slowly getting back to normal, with its shopping centers and a few hotels opening up next week. In big news for vaccine development, a California study suggests that the body builds an antiviral immune response while fighting coronavirus. The study revealed a robust response against the spike protein. This spike protein has been identified by a number of researchers around the globe as a key for coronavirus's ability to invade human cells. So this helps researchers understand how the body can build immunity against the virus. In a story that's going to surely melt your hearts, a man from Mizoram emerged as a guardian angel and cleared bank loans of 4 people that he never knew. He cleared off loans for 4 people, out of which 3 of them were women who had a cumulative loan of 10 lakhs. This act was out of pure goodness, as the man offered help on a strict condition of his identity being anonymous. In such times when the less fortunate ones are struggling to make their ends meet, such stories bring a smile to your face. Well, that's it for this week, folks. If you know of any other positive headlines that you think we've missed out on, please put them in the comment section below. Do share this with as many people as possible because everybody needs a little positivity right now. Also, now that this is over, I'm going to go wash my hands again. Stay safe, stay clean, and watch out for another episode of Good News with Binge Daily every Monday. Ashna out!
Thanks for watching Binge Daily. Be sure to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.